Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today I'm going to be reviewing TressAllure's new wig called Chic, so stay tuned. Okay, before I get started, I want to let you know that if you head over to frannieshair.com this month, December 2024, TressAllure wigs will be 30% off and you'll get a free gift of a wig travel bag. It's really adorable. It looks like a little garment bag for wigs. I'll put a picture up here so you can take a look at it. I will have this wig, Chic, listed in the description below, as well as a link to all other TressAllure wigs over at frannieshair.com. All right, so let's get started talking about this wig. It's Chic, as I said, in the color EL12 228. It's one of their new colors, and we'll talk about the color as we go. First, let's just talk about this style and their intention for this style. Okay. This is how they describe it. Step into the world of chic, modern sophistication with our latest creation. A wig that embodies European styling at its finest. Designed for those who appreciate the finer things, this asymmetrical masterpiece exudes the confidence and grace of royalty. Its sleek lines and precision cut create a look that's effortlessly chic. Crafted with our Look Fabulous Realistic Light Fiber, that's their new heat-friendly fiber, so this is heat-friendly. Chic mirrors the natural movement and appearance of fine human hair. With TressAllure's low-density, unmatched, ultralight construction, it offers unparalleled comfort, allowing your scalp to breathe while maintaining volume in all the right places. Featuring TressAllure's low-density, strand-by-strand, ultralight construction, it offers unmatched comfort while maintaining perfect volume, ensuring it blends seamlessly with your natural hairline and looks and feels like the hair is growing right out of your scalp. Whether you're stepping into a high-powered meeting or attending a glamorous event, this wig is your go-to for a polished, on-trend look that's nothing short of perfect. Natural, realistic, and luxuriously lightweight. And this really is a very classic, elegant look. You can dress this up with a lot of beautiful jewelry, or you can wear it like I am today, casually with a sweater, boots, and jeans. And you could pull her back if you like, leaving just the front out. That would be really pretty. I don't think she's long enough to really put up in a ponytail. Let me just... Yeah, that would be a little bit short. And we'll talk about her measurements and my measurements and all of that. But first, let me just show you the lace front. Hopefully you can see that there. TressAllure does a really great job on their lace fronts. And she has a mono top. So she came parted on the left like this. And this is where I would wear her. But you can part her anywhere you like. So let me just show you that. There, if I wanted to change the part. Let me just comb her a little bit. I really love the shape of this wig. It reminds me a little bit of Leah too, except a little bit more stylized with the shorter back and longer front. As I said, she's heat friendly, so you can use heat to style her. I probably wouldn't. I really like this look. I like the swing you have in the fibers. I'm going to spin, show you the style, and then we're going to talk about all the details. Really pretty, right? Okay, so before I get started on her measurements, let's talk about my measurements. My circumference is 21.5 inches. Ear to ear, I'm 11.5 inches. Forehead to nape, I'm 12.5 inches. My forehead to chin is 8.5 inches. My forehead is 3.5 inches, and my neck is 3 inches. The reason I give you so many measurements is so that you can compare how this wig looks on me with how it will look on you by just knowing your measurements. So for example, if my face is 8.5 inches, which is a pretty long face, and yours is 7 inches, you know that the bottom of the wig will come much lower beyond your face than it does on me. Now, if you don't know how to measure your head correctly, no worries. I'll have a link in the description to a video where I show you how to do that. You can also head over to frannieshair.com under the size charts, and there's a video of me showing you how to measure your head there as well. All right, now let's talk about the measurements of this wig. The crown is 10.2 inches. The nape, 4 inches. The fringe, 9.5 inches, so like I said, my face is 8.5, so it comes down about an inch longer there. And she weighs 4 ounces. As far as density goes, she is a lower density wig. Permatease, I don't really feel any. If there is any, it would probably be around here, but honestly, if there is any, it's not much at all. And as far as how she fits, I think I could actually tighten her a little bit. We'll take a look at where the adjusters are after we come in from outside. And I do feel like I have a little bit of extra room in my crown, right here. I don't find it bothersome. I would totally wear this, no problem, but I like to let you know as much as possible. All right, now let's talk about the color, EL12 22/8. The EL is their new European colors, and they have this lighter highlighting in the front, and I think it's really pretty. You can see the lighter highlights there. Now 12 is a light brown, so you can see that in here. Your 22 is a golden blonde, and your 8 is your medium brown rooting. And they describe the color as a blend of light golden brown with gold blonde highlights rooted with a medium brown. So that's basically what we just said. And it is a warmer color. So if you take a look at that, you'll see the gold in there, and it is a warmer color, even though this highlighting here in the front could be a little bit cooler. But still, I would consider it overall warm. Okay, so let's take a look at the ear tabs. So you can see here's the ear tab. Anything up here or gray is mine. I have a little bit of space here. And honestly, I have never had issues with a TressAllure wig with the ear tabs rubbing for me or anything like that. I always find them to be very comfortable. All right, let's try on the glasses under the ear tabs. No issue. And over the ear tabs. Again, no issue. I could wear this either way. I have to say, you probably know this, but up until now, my favorite TressAllure wig has been Picture Perfect in the color 1723 R8. I think this one is eclipsing that one. I still love Picture Perfect, but the length of this one is so much easier if I'm running errands. I usually like to wear a wig shoulder length or above for when I'm just running errands, doing shopping and stuff like that. Picture Perfect is very glamorous. It's long, and I would definitely wear it on a night out, pull it up in different ways, or just wear it down. But for my everyday errands, this one would be better, and I really like the way it's styled. So pretty. All right, let's take a look at the color outside. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to spin for you. Look at this color, how pretty it is. Sorry if you hear a lot of noise. We're having our steps worked on. So pretty, and you can see the lighter highlight up front. Okay, let me take you around my head. And today I'm actually wearing boots. I know I always say that I'm wearing slippers, but today I put on my boots. All right, let's head back in. So you can see the color as I walk through the house here. Hopefully it's not too messy. So pretty. Okay, so let's take a look at the cap. Okay, so you have an extended lace front from ear tab to ear tab, your full mono top, open wefting, a nice felt or velvet ear tab with the metal stays, the extended nape also in that soft material, and your Velcro adjusters, which are adjusted in already and I could adjust it in more for my 21.5-inch circumference with my measurements. I'm considered a petite average, and there's plenty of stretch you can see here. And in general, TressAllure wigs will fit a larger head. I had two ladies come on. I don't know if you saw those videos, Tracy and Debbie. Tracy had a petite head, Debbie had a larger circumference head, and both ladies were so kind. They tried on many different brands of wigs and gave us their feedback on how they fit. I'm going to link those videos below as well. If you're looking to see how a wig might fit on you once you know your measurements, those videos can be very helpful. Okay, so there you go. That is TressAllure's Euro Chic in EL12 22/8. I'd love to hear from you. Do you have this wig, or your thoughts about the wig? I know Marlene just recently did a video on second chance wigs, and she was wearing Euro Chic, so you can go take a look at that as well. I'll link that in the description. Many of you probably know Marlene. She has her own channel called Marlene's Wig and Chat Studio. She knows so much about wigs. She runs our private Facebook group, which, by the way, if you're not part of, you have to head over and join us. It's so much fun there. We have so many ladies putting up pictures of themselves in all different wigs, all different colors. We share tips and tricks. You can get advice from our experts. It's just a lot of fun. So come join us. In any case, you can take a look at her video and see how Euro Chic looks on her. She has a different shaped face, and I believe a shorter face too. I think 7 or 7.5 inches, where mine is 8.5 inches. So you can see it on different faces, and hopefully that will also help you to figure out how it's going to look on you. Okay, don't forget about the special deal this month, 30% off of your TressAllure wig, plus you get a free wig travel bag. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.